That's what we do today. I don't know. I've got it.
I'm done. We're going to Wales.
Today's the day. It's here. It's finally here. It is the day of the bike trip. We're actually meeting at Windsor Castle, the famous home of Her Majesty. The trusty Diavel will get us through this trip, I know it. Mr. Bus Driver. Oh, not many people up this morning. Time's it's 5:45, yeah, we're pretty much bang on time here. I think we'll wait here for them. Well, it's all still on there. So far so good. That's a really good job we had timing and stuff so we could coordinate. Just don't kick my bike over. Boom, 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 like dominoes. Oh man, excited isn't the word. I'm so excited like a shit right now, to be honest with you. Here we go. We ride. Road is clear, man. Let's do it. Anyway, folks, that's us setting off. Wherever you're watching from, good afternoon, good evening, good morning. I'm the Naked Duck, and through the power of YouTube, we're in Wales. And here we are. It's official, Severn Bridge. Ah, lovely. Our little Welsh adventure has begun. We're not even in deep Wales yet. Ah, more motorcyclists. He's been on an adventure, and these guys have. Look how adventure-y they are. Ah, the mountains. Yeah, why not? Why I couldn't wait to get on this. Yep. Oh, this is a cool road, mind. Sheeps. Oh, look at this for a view, man. Wow, we should have launched the drone up here. Sheeps everywhere, look. Anyway, guys, we are on Route 2. Again, I'm Welsh and I'm probably gonna murder the name. Pistyll Rhaeadr or something. Waterfalls. Look at that scenery. I'm not even sure what we're looking at, as in like exactly the names of the mountains or anything, but very little traffic about as well. But you know, only a couple of times we've actually been stuck behind cars and stuff, and generally the cars we have been stuck behind have been you know, haven't been just driving at 20 mile an hour. It's been really decent. I think car drivers come here for the roads as well as us, so it's just nice to just be in the presence of other petrol heads. Hopefully this waterfall we're going to is going to be something to behold.
Get in. Thunderstormies.
They're about to get struck by lightning.
Waiting for Perv to go get his fucking death rock.
Waiting for Perv to get his death rock. So what happened, Rock?
So, I don't know, because I was leading.
Yeah.
But we were coming down these bends, saw this rock in the middle of the road, and me, being a responsible rider, went round the fucking thing. Big. You'll see it now when it comes back. But apparently...
No! Well, we are now, but...
Tell us what happened, Perv.
Show us your rock, Perv.
Hit a rack.
That's a big rock, to be fair.
You took me out.
What have you found? Mackey's, okay. We can get the big guy some boigers. I mean, mate. Settle his nerves. So we've got a thunderstorm inbound. We just had one clap of thunder right above us. So we are heading in from Mackey's. It's like late, it's like mid-afternoon, and hopefully we'll still get to go to the old waterfall before needing to head off to base camp for night one. Okay, onward to find food. So for any of you that are unsure about what just happened, essentially we were going around these great twisty roads, and not only a minute ago was I talking about how I find these roads a lot more predictable than the ones back in Windsor and around that sort of area, and we came around a corner much like this one, a right-hander, and there's a rock probably about the size of my fist right in the centre of the road. Rocky managed to sort of just change his position slightly and get around it. I sort of set my position up to go around it, but poor Kyle unfortunately just didn't quite see it in time and just went straight over it. I think it skipped his front wheel, then skipped his rear wheel, and as soon as we got out of the corner he needed to just stop and take stock, take a minute, because it was, you know, we were probably doing about 50-60 mile an hour when he hit it. So I think he just needed to have a minute to cool down. But yeah, we're going to go get some food, then we're going to crack on with this journey towards the waterfall, and I'll see you in a little bit. So we've managed to get this far, this tiny cool little village, and we're presented with a road ahead closed sign. The falls are up that way, and we're going to give it a go. I'm not sure if that's, like, people might get upset with us for that. Hang on, can you get through? Yeah. We're going to just see what the road is like. Gentlemen in the shop has indicated. Yeah, it's not, because I saw that sign and I was, you know, gleaming. I just want to make sure that there was like no road missing or anything like that. Like, all right, thanks a lot. Cheers. Well, there you go. Bit of information from a local. We're gonna chance it. Let's do this. Right, there's more road closed signs. I'm not sure if I'm going to get the drone out when we get up there anyway, because you know what? There's lightning and stuff around at the minute. I don't want my drone to get struck by lightning, because it probably comes through the drone and hit me in the face or something. Right, I'm taking it slow, because like you saw that car coming down just now, and I don't know, something about that road closed sign is making me a bit nervous. But that's how adventure-y we are. Essentially, there's been thunderstorm warning since we left this morning for most of the UK, I think, and we've definitely heard a couple of flaps of thunder while we've been around, and touch wood so far, we have stayed away from the worst of the wet stuff. I'm not going to say the word, I'm not going to jinx us. I am like super excited to see this waterfall now. This better be the best waterfall I've ever seen in my life. Now this is proper adventuring. Even though I've got like completely the wrong bike for doing something like this. Yeah, I'm getting very wet. You can actually see the rain coming down on the mountain opposite. That's quite cool. I love how we've been planning this thing for 2 years, and in the middle of 35-degree weather, we managed to find the week where it's pissing down the rain. What's too heavy? Right. Oh, I'm soggy. I'm so soggy. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. This is the end of day 1. We are now going to go and get ourselves dried off, hopefully have a nice beer. Yeah, I'll see you soon. Tune in next week for the next episode and keep a shiny side up.